Hello guys, welcome to RO Collections. Here today I've got a Adrenalyn XL Champions League 2014-15 starter pack. As you can see, it includes a limited edition Raheem Sterling there. Yeah, you see on the front of Sergio Ramos, Mario Götze, Neymar, Fabregas, Marco Ruiz there. Comes with a collector's binder, game mat, rule sheet, 18 trading cards plus a limited edition which is Raheem Sterling. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what we've got. There. Get that down a bit so you can see better. Okay, so here's the binder. Your typical binder really, just a bit like the Match Text one from Topps, but this actually has the checklist inside. You don't have to put it inside for yourself, which is quite nice. Pages seem okay. There you go. That there. And you've got this game board, which is pretty self-explanatory really, and then you've got the rules here. But what we're most interested in is what is inside these packs. And as you can see, there's the Raheem Sterling limited edition, 102 attack, attack I think it is, yeah. Very nice. So let's open these two packs and see what we've got. Okay. So we have Robert Lewandowski, Diego Godin, Carlos Tevez, Sven Bender, Victor Fischer, and a double trouble card of Mario Götze and Thomas Muller. Very nice, got like a bit of an indentation to the card. I do like them double trouble cards, they do look nice. Okay, so nice pull from the first packet. Not too sure on the odds of double trouble, let's have a look. 1 in every 23, so that's not bad from a starter pack. Okay, next pack. We have Fernando Llorente, Kadim Bellarabi, Felipe Melo, Frank Achipong, Luisao, fans favourite of Alejandro Dominguez, and AS Roma badge, and the Shakhtar Donetsk goalkeeper, and Seydou Keita, now playing for Roma. So that's it guys. So off the starter pack we pulled a double trouble, Götze and Muller, which is nice, and obviously our limited edition was Raheem Sterling. So guys, let me know who you pulled in your starter packs for the Adrenalyn XL Panini UEFA Champions League, and don't forget to subscribe and put a thumbs up. Cheers guys.